Yes, the rubbery latex white gloves are back on, which can only mean one thing. We don't want to get our proper gloves dirty. It's time to review a stout. And this time we have gone to Love Lane Brewery in Liverpool from Home Bargains. I'm the owner of Home Bargains who saved this brewery. This is the Blackbird, which is basically the Liverpool crest. Pretty much looks like it. Extra stout at 6.7%. This is a special release, so if you want this, go and get it now. I'm pretty much late to the party. Everyone has reviewed this 6 months ago. Been in the fridge. I took it out of the fridge. It's been out of the fridge for about an hour now. It says recommended serving temperature is between 11 and 13 degrees. This is probably about 6 or 7 degrees now, maybe 8. Nowhere near to the 11 to 13 degrees it recommends. Right there. But hopefully if I talk, get it in the glass. Let's get it in the glass first. Hopefully it will bring it a bit more to room temperature. Crack it open. Oh, look at that. Didn't even get any on me. Didn't even need to wear these gloves. Thick black one. Yes. Thick black beer. Tan coloured head. It's a bit too cold. It's giving it a big head. Didn't get enough of that to get a taste of it. Right. I've got some dripping down the can, so I did get it on my gloves. So good job I did wear these ones. Right. Blackbird extra stout. Brewed under the watchful eyes of like I said, the liver bird, that's the one. The liver bird, that's the one what's on the Liverpool crest. Roasted barley, flaked oats, and a selection of dark malts are combined to create a robust dark stout with notes of coffee, rich toffee, and chocolate, finished with a lingering tannic bitterness. A special release from Love Lane. Love Lane Brewery in Liverpool in the Baltic Triangle. It's one of the ones I want to actually go and visit. Just for the story of it. So like I said, it's 6.7% and it is a 440ml can. Surprisingly doesn't say, oh no it does say, I was going to say it doesn't say how many units it is, but it is 2.9 UK units. Hopefully with all that jabbering on I can get the whole can in the glass. I mean it's over a bit, but that head will settle down. You don't really get the taste from just doing that little sip in the can. So anyway, let's look at it. It is thick, dark, exactly how you want stout to look, with a solid one finger, just over one finger, not white, tan coloured, caramelly brown coloured head. And what the head does, actually staying firm. With a lot of stouts you get, the head just disappears straight away. But this one, even with a non-carbonated glass, the head is staying firm. That is a sign of a really good stout. That is very chocolatey, very, very malty, almost like a roasted coffee smell. That is good. Oof. Like a dark chocolate. Dark chocolate sort of mixed with caramel that's been burnt on roasted coffee. That is the smell you're getting from it. It actually smells really nice. Don't let my words put you off. That is a really nice smelling star. That is. Wow. Well, the head is still there. Let's dive in. Don't know what I'm expecting from this. Hopefully it's going to be good because it smells good and it looks good. Wow. So, it's medium bodied. It's not weak, not watery. It's not thick. You're not going to be chewing on it. It's just right. It's very, very roasty. Getting like a burnt taste in your mouth. Very smoky. It's very good. Dark chocolate bitterness with a hint of coffee. Very, very bitter on the back end. Not sweet. The smell of the caramel, that sort of stuff from the smell. You're not getting any of that. It's not sweet at all. It's not smooth like your Guinness. You are getting that 6.7%, I believe it is. Yeah, you are getting that strength in there. That's giving it that roasty, bitter taste to it. That is one of the best stouts I've reviewed in a while. And may I add, I believe this was £1.49 a can. £1.49. What can you get for £1.49 these days? Beer wise. You're definitely going to get a stout for that. Might get a can of Guinness. It's got nothing on this though. This is good. I'm going to actually stick my neck out and say Love Lane Brewery, Blackbird, Extra Stout, 6.7%. It's a 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That is perfect. That is how I like my stouts. I could drink 8 of these in a night. Not a problem whatsoever. They're good. Very, very good. Let me know if you've had this one. If you're going to go and try it now on my recommendation, let me know down below. And if you're new around here, please do subscribe to the channel. We do beer reviews every 3 days, ranging from beers, stouts, ciders, sours, ales, perfect draft. We even chuck in a few snacks now and again. But yeah, please do stick around and like and comment and all that. Helps the channel out a great deal. And I will catch you all in another beer review in 3 days' time. Cheers, everyone.